Hello guys, this is Ash here. This video is made to give a brief introduction about the Business Studies grade 12 and 13 syllabus and also the paper you will be facing. So the syllabus of both grade 12 and 13 will be tested in your final exam. So let me give you the syllabus contents. Grade 12 has 11 chapters and grade 13 has 7 chapters. So totally there will be 18 chapters. So the first chapter is Introduction to Business and Business Environment. Second, Business, Social Responsibilities and Ethics. Third, Interaction between Government and Business. Fourth, Business Organization. Fifth, Entrepreneurship. Sixth, Small and Medium Business. 7, Money and Banking. 8, Insurance. 9, Communication and Transportation. 10, Logistics. 11, Trade. So from now on it will be your grade 13 syllabus. Okay, chapter 12, Business Management. 13, Operations Management. 14, Financial Management. 15, Marketing Management. 16, Human Resource Management. 17, Information System. 18, Business Plan. So that's about it guys for the contents of your syllabus. Now let's look into your paper. So you will be facing a paper with two parts, part A and part B. So both the parts will be held on 2 different days. Let's look into part A first. There are 50 questions in it and that part is prepared for 100 marks. The first 30 questions will be MCQ type questions, that is multiple choice questions, where you will be provided with 5 options to select from. You need to select the most suitable option from it. Okay, in the next 20 questions you will be required to write short answers. These short answers could be tested through questions like fill in the blanks, identifying true or false from the statements provided, and they could also ask questions that specifically mentions you to write 4 answers to it. For example, they could ask a question like mention 4 requirements you need to fulfill this thing, or 4 ways to achieve it. So questions like that will specifically mention you to write 4 answers for it. So that's about it for part A, and part A is prepared for 2 hours. So within the specified 2 hours you have to complete all the 50 questions. Now let's look into part B. The part B is also prepared for 100 marks. This part is further divided into 2 parts. Each part consists of 4 questions. So totally there will be 8 questions, out of which you will need to answer 5 questions. But keep in mind, you have to answer 2 questions in each part. The 5th question could be from any of the part. And each question is prepared for 20 marks, and each question will have 5 sub questions. So there will be 5 main questions you need to answer, and each question is prepared for 20 marks, and each question will have 5 sub questions for it. Each will carry 4 marks. So you will be required to do this paper within 3 hours and 10 minutes, and the 10 minutes that is provided is for reading time. You have to use this reading time to go through the paper and plan your answers, and also plan which questions you will be answering first, or which are the options you will be selecting. So that's a basic idea about your paper and the syllabus. So hopefully we'll go to the lesson with the next video. That's about it for this video guys. This is a small intro about your paper and also the subject. So stay tuned guys. From the next video we'll be starting the lesson. Please do share this with your friends, comment below your questions, and subscribe to stay tuned with us. Okay, cool, thanks.